Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Tuesday 21st of May 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. We do urge you to check out the description of this video for the link of the Telegram room where at times I could be able to advise you during the trading session. Also, I do urge you to check out the last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. As usual, we are going to start our core analysis right after a quick recap. On the last trading session of Monday, we haven't had any influential or important economic data released from the United States. What we have said that we have to keep an eye on the US dollar price action, which was a little bit tight in the last trading session. Also, we said have an eye on the equities, which have suffered of a sell-off due to the escalation of Huawei story. For the gold price action on the last trading session on Monday, gold failed to capitalize on the risk-on mode, which dominated the markets. Gold was under pressure for a time and reached 1,273 plus, then rebounded on the news of the restrictions on the Chinese communication company Huawei on the use of Android applications and products. In our last episode for the strategy recap, we mentioned that gold is in a bearish setup, and as long as the fundamentals does not change, gold price shall decline, and the short-term rallies are a chance to enter the market as a seller. That's all. We will move on now to the economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Tuesday, we will be waiting for the following economic headers to be released from the United Kingdom: the CPI industrial trends orders for May and the inflation report hearings, and the Bank of England Governor Carney speech to be delivered later on tomorrow, all to be considered as market movers. That's all for the United Kingdom. We'll move on now to the United States, and we will be waiting for the following economic headers to be released: the existing home sales month to month and the existing home sales for April. We will have Fed Chair Powell speech. It's due in a few hours, and the red box month to month and year to year, all to be considered as market movers. We'll move on now to technical indicators. On the last trading session of Monday, we have had a trading range from 1,273 plus to 1,278 plus. Market is open and the numbers are rounded. For the close price, gold spot is expected to print a close price above 1,277. Anything below 1,277 is better for a better bearish setup. For the moving averages, the 20 days is 1,282, the 50 days it's 1,291, and the 100 days it's 1,296, and the 200 days is 1,254. We are below 20, 50 and 100 days daily simple moving average, and above only the 200 days daily simple moving average. For the RSI readings, we will be for the 1 hour 47 bullish, depends on the price, and for the RSI 4 hours is 34 bearish, and the for the RSI for the 1 day is 43 bearish as well. For the supports and resistance, nothing changed much. The first support at 1,276, followed by 1,268 and 1,266. Also 1,272 can be considered as a strong support as well. For the resistance, 1,280, followed by 1,285 and 1,288. That's all. We will move on now to the trading strategy. Let's start with the good news. We are back, and we hope the technical difficulties we have been met with in the last week are no more existing. I will take the chance to introduce you to this idea. We are a new YouTube channel, that's true, but we've been there for more than 5 months so far. and some of you by now are friends more than subscribers. I do urge you please to promote this channel as if it's yours. Just imagine that with the time we become 5 to 10,000 active members. By that time, we will not be only just a regular YouTube channel, we will be more of a market player, and we at times can take advantage of the price movement and deploy and perform some trading strategies which will benefit us and make us make real money. Please think of it and work on it if you believe in the cause of the channel. One more thing that some of the members have raised the idea they wish to donate to the channel or to raise some funds for the channel for in order to enhance the content of the channel. We welcome this. If you do believe in the cause and the content of the channel, you can find the link for the donations in the description of the video. Thank you guys, and we will continue our regular video as usual. For the trading strategy, trend is bearish and the price action is negative. We are below all the daily simple moving averages except the 200 days, and the US dollar, which have shown us tight trading on the last trading session, is expected to rise. From a technical standpoint, gold is still in a bearish setup, and we still expect the 1255 this week. This all is a pure technical analysis. We also consider the short-term rallies to 1280.85 is a good area to enter the market as a seller. If you look at the fundamental side, there is another story actually. The trade war between US and China got an escalation as some of the major tech companies in the United States announced limited supply of products and services to the Chinese communication giant Huawei. So there is no need to panic about this because it's been mentioned even before the increasing of the tariff that Donald Trump have mentioned that Huawei is excluded from the deal. But the market has to react. However, we do expect that the sell-off is not going to continue for a long time in the US equities, and any move in the gold to the upside is limited. So our advice is to stay at the sell and will protect your position. If it's still out of the market, it's a good opportunity to sell if gold rises significantly, like from $10 to $15. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.